Anything else that DIY investors should watch out for?
Yeah, look, Sumera, I think some of the basic ground rules of this thing is, and I personally feel that one has to keep his investing and trading pot separate. I've of late been seeing many DIY investing platforms providing trading and broking services also. To my mind, it kind of gives you consolidated reporting, but if you keep the reporting aside, the more harmful part is that investors are then given those soft nudges and pushes, basically where they are more focused on short-term trading and trading strategies. And I've seen many investors actually redeeming from their long-term investment corpuses and trying and moving into short-term stock ideas or taking trading calls or actually moving into derivatives, which can be very harmful for investors in the long run. Look, we have to also understand that most of the audience which is coming on these DIY and digital platforms is the new age millennial audience. They have not actually seen many corrections in their investing life, and these kind of nudges or these kind of digital push actually can lead them to defocus from investing or long-term investing approach and focus more towards the short-term trading strategies. So my two bits out there is to keep your trading and investing separate, keep them as two different accounts if that's possible, and beware of that part. The last part, I think, which is very critical, is to make sure that your platform has a physical channel to speak to. They have some advisors, they have some service channels, because there are a lot many non-financial transactions like change of nomination, change of bank mandates, change of addresses, KYC updations, and all those things. And I see less and less platforms focusing on these minor nuts and bolts. They actually are more keen on giving 2-click, 3-click investing to investors and not focusing on verifying the credentials and making sure that the records are proper with fund houses. So you have to verify that all your records are clearly and updated with all the fund houses in proper manner. And you have to make sure that there is some support channel. There is an RM or an advisor or a service support where you can speak, take ideas about investments, discuss your own portfolio plans. Every individual is unique. And last mile customization is not possible with DIY platforms. But what is possible is that if your platform provides you an RM channel or an advisory channel, then you need to talk to them and take help in building your portfolios. That help might not be very frequent, but if they give you that help, then yes, I think DIY by all means is a better way to invest, because finally they will offer you direct plans and they will give you ease of investing and reporting everything together.